Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video will show you this voluminous twist out style that I did for my graduation. To do this style, I did my usual wash day routine. Afterwards, on clean hair, I applied this leave-in conditioner. During my wash routine, I needed to use my Denman brush, but for purposes afterwards, I used the wide tooth comb for detangling, and you can use a pick to get more volume, but I didn't. And I needed a styling comb for parting my hair. Alright, so let me show you how I did it. I blow dried my hair just to get it stretched, but it was not straight. I first applied Auntie Jackie's Curls and Coils Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel, and I just then added the Motions Extra Firm Foaming Wrap Lotion. I comb it through and then I plait about an inch long. And then afterwards, I begin twisting the rest of the section. And literally all you do is repeat this all across your head. Just remember that you can use the wide tooth comb or whatever detangling tool that you have to make sure the section is completely detangled and the product is distributed along the section. I usually do styles from the nape of my neck upwards, so as you can see here, I started right where my lock is, which is the left side of my head. So for this style, if you'd like strictly definition, do not plait at the beginning of the section, as it forces you to separate the sections while you are pulling out the twist, which causes volume. If you don't want that, then don't. And also, you could add curling rods at the end of each twist for a flattering curl. This is how my graduation picture hair looked, and that is why the curls are there, because I added the curling rod, but I didn't do that here. This is how my hair looks when half of the twist had been done and half is left. My hair looks really big and the twist looked really shiny. I'm really happy about that. So yeah, and I'll show you guys when I have a little bit left. So here, I only have one section left. Yes! I was so excited at this point because I was doing it for a bit over an hour and a half, but I just repeated everything I did at the beginning and I was finished doing my hair. Yes, finally finished. Finally finished. Yes, 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 yes. So I just want to show you guys how my hair looks like from every direction, so the front, the side, as well as the back and up close. So in the following day, that afternoon, was my graduation, and I did my makeup and everything as you'd see in the graduation vlog you should watch on my channel. And this is how the twist looked after a whole day of being set. So I pulled out my hair, but unfortunately I wasn't able to show you guys because the camera wasn't recording, but for visual reference you can check out my latest twist out video. All I did was apply a little bit of oil on my fingertips, then I pulled out the twist from ends to roots, untwisting in the opposite direction that I twisted it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was very hard to film, but I managed to do it and I really want to share it with you guys. So please remember to like and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, which is right beside the subscribe button. And I will see you next time.